Creating your first project. Learn how to set up a new event project in just a couple of minutes. Each project generates a unique QR code for guest registration, perfect for conferences, trade shows, and exhibitions. Step 1. Starting a new project. To create a project, click Create Project in the top menu, or use the New Project button next to your recent projects list on the dashboard. Either way, you'll go to the Create Project page. Step 2. Filling in the details. Give your event a clear name, like Corporate Leadership Summit. Then set the date, time, and location. Add a short description if you want. It's limited to 100 characters, just enough to keep things organized. Step 3. Completing the project. Click Create Project. The system immediately generates a unique project code, shown as a colored badge. You're now ready to invite guests.